Strong, dependable, American-made quality. Tennsco. Storage made easy. When you have clothing to store, our wardrobe cabinet is the answer. The coat rod allows you to keep your items neat and orderly, while the additional shelf gives you extra storage space for smaller items. Our standard grade cabinets are made with premium steel to last for years to come. With weight evenly distributed, the strong, adjustable 18-inch deep full-width shelves hold up to 150 pounds, and the 24-inch deep full-width shelves hold up to 200 pounds. A raised base keeps contents away from wet floors or cleaning solutions, and all of our cabinets are powdered coated to ensure years of durability. For ventilation, punched lances provide air circulation. You can trust your stored articles are safe. Solid doors are reinforced with door stiffeners for extra strength and durability. A 3-point locking system provides security for all of your stored items. At 72 inches high by 36 inches wide, with depths of 18 inches and 24 inches, this cabinet accommodates a wide range of materials without crowding your floor space. Your cabinet arrives ready to use, no assembly required. You can start storing things right away. A good storage cabinet is something that you can depend on. That's a Tennsco cabinet. Tennsco. Storage made easy.